notice is we were talking about circuit breakers earlier. You got to figure out if you're going to need to order circuit breakers as a part of your install, right? You may have enough circuit breakers in the panel. They may even be labeled properly because you're taking one old NavCom out, you're putting a newer NavCom in its place, you're taking an old transponder out, you're putting a new transponder in its place. However, the rating of the existing circuit breaker may not be what you need for the new install. And oftentimes it's not. Transponders are very commonly, they used to be 5 amp circuit breakers. A lot of the newer transponders, they don't pull that kind of amperage. They're a 3 amp breaker. Okay, so you just need to know that stuff. If you're putting the quote together, circuit breakers, some circuit breaker styles are not inexpensive, and you may need to add 50, 60, 70 bucks to your supplies list just to get your breakers in.